Hello everyone, we are here to introduce Akash, an automated waste collection and segregation rover designed to improvise the waste management and make it smarter, safer and more efficient. Waste management is becoming a growing challenge day by day. In 2022, the world generated a 2.56 billion tons waste, and if the current rate continues, it will become 3.86 waste by 2050, and that's a 50% hike. And the problem isn't only the amount of waste we produce, it's how we collect, we handle, and we segregate it. Waste collection and segregation involves significant manual handling. This means workers can be exposed to contaminated and potentially hazardous waste on a regular basis. The World Health Organization identifies waste workers, particularly those working unofficially, among the groups facing some of the greatest risks from poorly managed waste. At the same time, when different waste streams are mixed, recyclable and recoverable materials become hard to process. So, instead of making people take the waste to the collection point, we asked, what if the collection point comes to them? And here's where Akash enters in.
This begins with a simple pickup request through our website. Once a request is received, the rover navigates towards the user's location. The user then places their waste into the rover's collection tray. From there, the rover identifies and segregates the waste into the appropriate bins attached to the rover. So instead of mixing everything together and sorting it later, segregation happens during the collection itself. Once collection is complete, the rover returns to its docking station. This station serves as the central waste disposal point where the larger designated waste bins are located. The rover's waste bins then rotate outward and automatically dump their contents into their corresponding designated bins. After emptying, the rover is ready for its next collection. The system is designed around 4 principles: affordable to build, easy to scale, reduce manual effort, and simple to maintain. It brings collection, mobility, segregation, and waste transfer together into one system. Better waste management isn't just about recycling anymore. It's about reducing human exposure, preventing contamination, recovering valuable resources, and building cleaner and more efficient communities. We don't just collect waste, we rethink how the waste is collected.